compressor out one of these nights. Reach down there and pick it up.
Flip across the room. How long did it go?
I don't know. It depends a lot on the surface, you know. Like we've got this parabolic mirror that we put it in, and it spins really good. This is kind of a rough surface. I think this is like this rim is a little too tall. Does it really give it right in the middle of the plate? Have you ever seen a Euler's disc?
Yeah.
I got my dad one for Christmas. I'm going to take this to work to really distract people from meetings.
Can't believe it's still going.
Well, they weigh a lot. These things are steel.
I'm pretty bad at this video thing. Holy shit.
Oh man.
Pretty cool.
I was flying my drone.